Hello. We are doing a project about how sounds relate to learning performance. First off, we have to first get data about our individuals and how they relate and how they do their learning performance and how their averages. And so first we have to take about how them reading the Iliad to see how well they do in normal reading conditions where they're reading their just normal text in a normal way that they would do while they're studying, and fill out this little questionnaire that answers some just basic questions about what they normally do while they're studying and also what their reading speed was.
Once they filled out that questionnaire, we were able to synthesize the data into this Google Sheet and able to look at different measures, like the time it took for them to complete the Iliad and read it all, the words per minute that they were reading, as well as what they were listening to, or if they were listening to anything at all, and as well as other data, like if they were a musician, if they played an instrument, and things like that.
After our observational data, we collect our experimental data. We separate the students into two groups. One listening to the silence, one listening to the white noise, and they read this excerpt from the PSAT, and just like the previous text, they time themselves on it, and they take a questionnaire, but this one has more like comprehension-based questions relating to the text itself.
And here's all our data from that part of the experiment. So we got the groups that they were in, of course their name, we got to know their name, of course. What kind of music they listened to. They did it with the white noise, the music, silence, we asked if they play an instrument, all the same stuff from the first survey. And then we got all this data here, you see, lots of it, just spreads and spreads all over the place about how if background noise or white noise or music or silence is better for studying and reading.